B&B Entertainment here, and today I'm going to hit you with something that was unexpected. Now, this came out on the 4th, but I seen something about it, but I haven't had time to do any reactions. So, this is unexpected. I have not heard nothing about it until just recently. It's Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2022. It comes out on Netflix. Now, I don't know how that's going to play out, but Netflix is a good site, to watch new movies and stuff, so I read the synopsis. It's something to do with these friends going to Texas for like a business venture or some stuff. And the original Sally that survived in the original movie is supposed to live in that town too or some shit. But I just want to check the trailer out, see if it looks any decent, so let's just jump into it. Okay. To 24, yep. Alright. Whoa. Uh-oh. Okay. That's tough. That's something a little different. Never seen that before. Whoa. Alright. So, first things first, it comes out February 18th on Netflix. It looks okay, but I didn't see a whole lot that intrigued me yet. I'd have to see more of it, or actually just see the movie itself. I'm still gonna check it out, because I'm a Texas Chainsaw Massacre fan, so. I don't know how I feel about the guy playing Leatherface, though. I have to see how he moves and stuff. But it doesn't look bad. I'll check it out for sure. But other than that, it didn't really show a lot. It didn't show a whole lot, so I can't really go off of anything. But I'm going to hit in the video on that. And much love. I always tell him I remember that. Y'all have a blessed night.